Hi, my name is Rupshree. So today we are going to learn about sorting and filter in Excel. Sorting is nothing but arrange the data in some order. Order can be in descending or in ascending. Descending means from greater to smaller and ascending means from smaller to greater. It can be used for single or multiple columns. It is a column operation. And again, in Excel, data are stored in basically two different ways. One is range and the another is table. Range may have missing value or discontinuity, means it may have some empty rows or some empty columns. And in that case, sorting won't work. And in table data, it has some column headings, means these are the column headings. The line you can see in blue color, these are the columns and these are the rows. These are the rows. 1, 2, 3, 4 are rows and A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H are columns. So every columns you can see a column heading. This one is called heading. So the table data has some heading. So, and it is, as I said, that range may have discontinuous data, that is, it may have some empty rows or empty columns, but table has continuous data. So sorting is more meaningful in case of table. But it can be done in case of range also. For that, we have to do the same procedure, but here we will do by converting into table. I will just first show it how to do. This table is this is in range form, so to convert it we are going to click in insert button and then click on and then select the all range, select the range and click on table. So it is giving the range, it is asking for the range which you want to convert in table. So we will click OK. So now you can see it some drop down arrow is coming near to every column headings. So now it is converted into table. Now the first this is the data given to us. Here you can see some WO district, district name, some north, south, central and northwest are given. Then take, lead take, Khan, Lopez, Cartier and so on, and service, then deliver, access, replace and everything are given. So whenever you are going to do anything in Excel, first your job is to explore the data, look into the data in a better way, then only you can understand the question and proceed further, or the requirement the company or your manager wants from you. After noticing the data carefully, you can do the further jobs. So coming to the first question. Question number 1 is given that sort the data according to ascending order of district and descending order of take, lead take. So here we have one district column given. This one is the district column. It has some district names like north, south, central, northeast and all. And then it has again given descending order of take, lead, lead take, sorry, and lead take column is also given. There we have names like Khan, Lopez, Cartier and all. So we are going to do the first question. The first question is copied here. So here first let us understand the question. Sort the data means arrange the data according to the ascending order of district, means we have to arrange the data to the ascending order of district, means the district with the uh, alphabet which are comes first in the position in the alphabet comes first, means A will come first, then B, then C. The name starting with A will come first, then starting with B will come, and so on, and at the last the name starting with Z will come. So here we can see south name is given, northwest name is given, north name is given, and then central name is given. So uh, in this central, south, and northwest, central has central has the starting letter is C, so central will come first, and after that northwest N will come, then at last south will come, and so on. If we have some other words also like west, then west will come at the last, and so on. And like that, for the same concept goes for tech head, lead tech also. So lead tech also, so if someone have the name starting with A, that will come first, and so on. If descending or in descending order, then the name that has Z as the first letter will come first, and as A as the first letter will come at the last. So we will proceed. So according to question, I am going to first sort the order of take head. So what is we are given in this descending order. So for that, now just look at the steps what I am going to follow. First, go to the data. First of all, I would like to tell that the data are in range from, in this case we can do for table as well and also in range. So first click here and then go to data. Then here you can see one is given A to Z, means it is descending or ascending. Write it down in the comment section. So here we are given that descending order of take list. So I am going to Z this here. You can see an arrow. Arrow is given from Z to A. It's downwards arrow, and in above it is given A to Z, upward, means A for Z last. If I click here, you can see the burden is coming first, and then charter is coming second, Khan L is coming like that. So, but if we click here Z to A, just look at the difference it is showing. Z to A, then my Meghna is coming first, Lopez is coming second, and so on. So after arranging the take head, we are going to arrange districts the same way. So for district, it is given ascending order of district. So after arranging take head in descending order, we are going to arrange district in ascending order. For ascending order, we are going to click the first option, that is A to Z. Now you can see here first central is coming. After that east is coming, then north, and so on. Now look at the important thing here. Now you can see for we have sorted the data for two column heads. One is take head and another is district. So for district, first we have sorted the data for lead take and then district. So when whatever data we sort in the second place, that will come first in arranging sorting. That means here you can see central data is coming, and under that central only Whitener is also there, and Ling is also there, and then Khan is also there. And after end of central data, you can see again for each data link is there. Miker is also there for near node data. So what's happening? We have sorted the take lead lead take for descending order, but then also it is messed up for central data or the node data. Why? Because whatever data we sort for the first, that will be like a subset of the data arranged in second type. So you can sort the column head according to your need, but here you can I found that for district for which district what managers lead take are arranged. So I found that it will be more relevant to sort the data for district in second case, and lead take in first case. So you can do according to your requirement in your company. So I hope it is clear. So going to the next question. Sort the data according to following order of service. This deliver, repair, access, replace. So you can see here also that one service column is there. So let us do it by converting into table. First one we did in range. This one we will do converting into table. To convert into table, just select all the data, then go to insert and then table. It will show the also all the range that is selected by a green border. Then click OK. So you can see the table is converted and the drop down arrow has come. So okay, so the question was sort the data to following order of service. Here the service column is there, and we have to arrange the data according to deliver. That means deliver will come first, whatever data connected to deliver will come first, and then repair will come, and then access, and then replace. Because you know that if it is in arranging or ascending order, access should come first, and then deliver, then repair, and so on, then replace. And in case of descending, replace should come first, then repair, then deliver, then access. But here we have did some we are given in some random way. So for that, what we will do? So first, click on a cell under this table. Click on any cell, and then you can click any cell and go to data. Then here you can see here under sorting we have one area, one sort A to Z, lowest to highest, then Z to A, highest to lowest, and there and after that you can see some something shown in table form, and it is given as sort. So click here. Sort by which you want to sort. You want to sort by service, so select service. Here we go. Then values, and then here, do you want to sort A to Z? No. So Z to A, no. If no, then go to custom list. Here in custom list, you have to give the list entries. That is whatever in whatever order the sorting must be done. So for that, click write the name in whatever uh, according to whatever spelling it is given. You have to make sure that the spelling and uh, everything should be given should be same as given in the question. So here we are writing deliver. Then if you do some mistake in spelling, then the correct answer won't come. So here capital R, and then he says, then he plays. Okay, so it is given. Just check once you are correct with the spellings or not. Deliver, repair, assess, and replace. Then click add. So you can see here you click add. You can see here you click. Then it will come in some rows. Then click OK. So now it is automatically selected. Yes, selected here. Then click OK. Okay. Now we can see under service where delivery is coming, and then after deliver, repair is coming. After repair, you can see automatically assist is coming, and last you will see replace. First you will see replace. Okay, replace is coming. So that's the way we can do the custom listing as well. So that's all for sorting, and after this we will go for filtering.